Hi, I'm Ethan here with TOWA, here to show you how to convert your gas-powered weed whacker or lawn trimmer to electric.
The following are included in the box for your conversion kit: a TOWA universal multi-voltage variable speed power head, a variable speed trigger handle, a power cable, and a plastic hardware bag. Sold separately is a shaft adapter to mount the power head onto the weed whacker. We currently sell square, 10, 9, 7, and shafted spline shaft adapters, which collectively cover over 90% of shafted OPE tools. You should only need to bust out a few tools for this process: a T10 torque screwdriver, a T25 torque screwdriver. I'm using this combo wrench that comes included with some models of weed whacker. And we recommend using white lithium grease to lubricate components. The first step of this process will be to remove the existing handle. The steps to do this will vary depending on your manufacturer. For this weed whacker, the handle was secured on by 2 torque screws, one on each of the bottom corners. In addition, you will also need to remove the engine. Again, this process will vary by manufacturer. This engine was unmounted after unscrewing a single torque screw that pinched it to the shaft. Once it's undone, the whole thing should just slide right off. Install the power head trigger by sliding it onto the shaft. You may or may not need to use spacers to fit it on.
Next up, we're going to install the power head. First thing to do is install the shaft adapter by aligning the notch here to the cutout on the motor end of the power head. This just goes in just like this. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take our white lithium grease and just give a quick spray onto the bottom of it. That should do. Alrighty. Now all you have to do is simply place the motor here.
Even without screwing it on, the motor should fit a little snugly onto the shaft. If you're finding that it is too loose, try spinning the cutter end until you can feel the motor engage with the shaft. Connect the trigger to the power head by plugging in the wire to the plug located on the front side beneath the black cover of the power head. At this point, take a quick second to make sure that all the pieces are in alignment with the cutter. You're almost done now. All that's left is to secure the power head and trigger. You can use a torque screwdriver or the included Torx Allen key for this, as I show here. For the trigger, there are 2 screws to tighten in the corners, one on the bottom left and one on the top right. Once you tighten the trigger, the last step will be to secure the power head and adapter. Open the included screw bag to find an M6 bolt and an M6 nut. These will go on the opening on the underside of the front of the power head. Next, tighten this bolt on the top side of the adapter. In addition, you will also tighten down the set screw on the side of the unit. Take care not to over-tighten the set screw. Finally, screw down the set screw holding down the adapter, located on the opposite side of the power head set screw.
And just like that, you've converted your old gas-powered weed whacker to electric. We've got our handle screwed on, our power head screwed on, the trigger cable plugged in, all the screws tightened on, and now it's time to test it. I've got our battery belt right here. I'm gonna plug in the cable right now. And let's see if she sings.
There are 2 main speed settings on the trigger: high speed and low speed. You can also throttle the trigger for variable speeds as well. TOWA translates from Japanese to infinity, and our products reflect this vision. Although we convert a line trimmer in this video, you can use our universal power head to electrify many types of shafted outdoor power equipment. In addition, it can accept an input voltage between 18 to 84 volts, making it capable of accepting a variety of battery solutions.
Thank you so much for watching. From TOWA Tools, I've been Ethan Hanlon.